If you're experiencing controller drift while playing League of Legends, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings in League of Legends are properly configured. Go to the settings menu, navigate to the controls section, and verify that the key bindings are set correctly for your controller. Step 2. Clean your controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt from around the analog sticks. You can also use a microfiber cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Connect your controller to the appropriate platform PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In the gain settings, look for the dead zone settings for your controller. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement on the stick before it registers in-game. Step 5. Test and calibrate. After making adjustments, test your controller in-game. If the drift persists, consider calibrating your controller through your system settings or using third-party software designed for controller calibration. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift, enhancing your gaming experience in League of Legends. Remember to regularly maintain your controller to prevent future issues.